guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Charlene. Welcome to my channel. In this video I will be doing a full face of Laura Mercier. You heard that right, literally from eyeshadow to lipstick to blush to foundation to powder. Everything is going to be from Laura Mercier. Everything I have on right now is from Laura Mercier. But I do a spring edition since we are so close to spring, and honestly I'm so tired of this cold. Like, it needs to go, so I'm just like, you know, getting in the vibe so that way I can pretend like we're in spring. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in my next video. It will be another full face, but this time of CoverGirl. So hope you guys enjoy this video once again. I'll see you in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and turn your bell notifications on so you are notified each time that I upload. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you did like it, and also comment down below. Don't forget to comment. Leave me a nice comment down below. What do you think of this look? And how do you feel about it? Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye. So this eye has been giving me a lot of trouble these past few days. I haven't been able to do my makeup, so if this goes south because of this eye, then y'all already know. But either way, today we're going to be trying out a whole bunch of new products from Laura Mercier. Some are new, some are old, some are my faves. Some of these products I haven't even tried out myself yet. They just came out, or either when they came out I never got the chance to try them out. We get so much PR all the time, especially from Laura Mercier. Like, they send something new every single month. So it's really hard to like keep up with like everything that they come out with and try everything all at once. But yeah, they do have their staple products that we all know and love and talk about and have been using for years. So I'm also going to be including them in this video. So we're going to start off with eyes. As always, you guys already know I start off with eyes. I already did my eyebrows. They don't have any eyebrow products, so I use my own, and I primed my lids with concealer. Hopefully this eye doesn't start you know, doing its thing on me, but either way we're gonna go ahead and start. And I'll be taking the Laura Mercier Hidden Gems palette. This palette is beautiful. Take the shade Bone, which is this one right here, pretty much this like bony shade. Like, that's all I can describe it as. I'm just going to place that like all over my lid. This palette doesn't really give me much to work with when it comes to like matte shadows. It has more shimmers than anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch over. I'm gonna use my favorite bronzer. You guys already know I use this in every single video. I literally hit pan. They just sent me a backup, thank the Lord, because I was freaking out. But yeah, this is my favorite bronzer from Laura Mercier. This is the Soleil 1 bronzer. So I'm just literally gonna swirl my brush in there. Next eyeshadow palette I'm going to use is this one by Dose of Colors. This is the Sassy SIENAS palette. This is not Laura Mercier, but I'm sorry, this is the only thing that I will be using that it's not from Laura Mercier, because I really need to, like, you know, amp up this transition color and give it a little bit more like definition, and I don't have anything to work with when it comes to the Laura Mercier palette. I wonder if they like have anything that's like matte. I don't feel like I've seen like a palette that's just entirely matte from them. A darker brown, and also kind of like run that over here in the inner corner. So we have some new products here that they just launched. All of these right over here. These are kind of like the sticks that they normally come out with. I have like so many of them. And I normally don't use products like these, but these are perfect for someone who's on the go and just wants to, like, you know, throw a little bit of shadow on and go about their day and not have a crease or anything like that, and not put too much effort and still have it look beautiful. So these are perfect for that. These are like the crayon sticks, and then we have some liquid eyeshadows over here, which are so pretty. This one is Calling My Name because it's like the pinky, like kind of like, you know, it's the vibes. It's the vibes. All of these three are Calling My Name. You guys know I like to pack on different colors and all of that jazz on my eyes. So we're going to We have some really nice colors in here as well, like some really interesting colors that I've never seen before. Like, they're just so pretty. Oh my gosh. Alright, we're just gonna work with all of these. How about that? We're gonna work with all of these, like all of these and all of these. Like, we're just gonna see what we do and what we come up with. Here is called Beam, and it's like a really nice kind of like, I don't know, iridescent pink. I'm just gonna like treat this as if this was like a cut crease. And I'm just gonna place that like right in the inner corner. But this eye is like really like not having it today. With the liquid eyeshadows, because I know these might work best, I'm gonna go in first with Appoitments. It's like clearly, it's like the white one, and it legit like has like 3D blue pigments in there. So I'm gonna go in with this one in my inner corner. Yeah, that's nice. These are the Caviar Chrome Veil, by the way. And this one is called Crystal Rose. It's this one right here, and this is the way it looks. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take that like over this one and in the center. So eyeshadows gave me so much trouble. The lashes I'm wearing in today's video are Baddie B and Insta Ho. Alright, so I have my lashes on. Today is day 2 of me trying to film because yesterday I had some technical difficulties with my light. Like, my ring light wouldn't turn on for anything, so that's that. And then my eye kept watering and tearing, so it was messing up the shadow. No difference today, so I've decided to just roll with it and let it be, and we're just gonna move on to, you know, face and all of that other stuff. With this Laura Mercier foundation primer, this is oil free. I'm just gonna go ahead and take a little bit of this, and it looks green. I'm not sure why, but I'm just gonna go ahead and pretty much rub this on my hands and apply this to my skin. A little bit of Tatcha Silk Canvas. This is a travel size. Just in case you're wondering, they do have like a travel size for you to try it out. I really do like this product, and I still have a ton left, so I'm gonna like purchase the actual size when this one runs out. But if they still have this promotion going on, I'll buy just like a few more of these, because to be honest, they're so much easier to travel with, and as you guys know, I travel a lot, so, and they're tiny and cute, so yeah, I really like this. I love the way it feels, and it makes my pores like kind of disappear. I got this huge package the other day from Laura Mercier, and it was our new foundation. The Laura Mercier Flawless LUMIER foundation is this one right over here. I have the shade Cashew and Buff, but I am tanned right now, so I'm going to use Buff. I'm also going to mix it in with the Flawless Fusion Ultra Wear foundation by Laura Mercier as well. This one is in the shade Suntan. Add it to my skin. And I know my foundation is darker than my face, but I am actually matching my foundation to my neck and the rest of my body. For concealer today, I'm using a new concealer. This concealer was used in that event that I went to. I'm not sure if you guys saw that I was in an event. I'll put like a clip somewhere here, but I was in an event with Laura Mercier just recently, I believe last week, and they had Makeup by Mario there. If you don't know who he is basically Kim Kardashian's makeup artist, and he does makeup for a lot of celebrities, but mainly Kim Kardashian for like so many years now, and he's so good. Like, you can learn so much from him, and he was doing makeup on Amarizi. If you don't know who Amarizi is, then I'll also put like a clip here so you guys see who she is. Well, you'll see her like in the video as well. But she is one of my all-time idols. Like, if you guys don't know this about me, like I literally used to post pictures of her in my old page, like pictures of her only, like of her makeup. And she is one of like my biggest inspirations, and the reason why I started to do makeup, and the reason why I kind of like, you know, aside from like Jaclyn Hill, like she was the other inspiration when I started to do like Instagram and post stuff on Instagram and create looks and do all of that. Like I realized that she would post every single day a new makeup look, and I started doing that as well, and that's how my page grew to like kind of like where it is now. It's in a plateau right now, don't want to talk about it. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of let you guys know, like I was there and I was just like like so happy to see like her there and then him teaching the class. But either way, he used this concealer on her, which I've never seen before. This is like, I don't know, I believe this is I believe this has been out for a while now, but nobody really uses it because it's a cream, and you know, now we're more like into like the you know, the wands and stuff like that. But it looked so beautiful when he was using it on her. So I'm gonna go ahead and use it, and I'm gonna be taking it on a Mercier camouflage powder brush, which is this one right here. And I'm going to be taking the shade right here, which is this one, like the kind of like peachy light shade, and I'm gonna start off with that one first and just blend it out with pretty much the same brush. Go ahead and take the yellowish kind of shade. And I'm gonna really like pack my brush with this. So I'm just taking that concealer and pretty much just placing it underneath my eyes as normal, but this time I'm using kind of like a triangle shape because that's what Mario did, and what Mario did, we do. And I'm just blending that out with a beauty blender, and it's blending out really nicely. I'm gonna take the Mercier translucent powder, and I'm going to start pretty much, you know, setting my entire face with this. And I'm taking the powder puff that comes with it to do so. I saw Mario do this and the outcome was like flawless. So now that I've set my entire face with the Mercier powder, I'm just gonna go ahead and bronze with my favorite, which is the Soleil one. And I'm taking this really big brush by Morphe. This is the M527. Love this bronzer so much. I literally drenched myself in this bronzer. I'm gonna go ahead and apply blush, and I am applying the blush in the shade Peach. I'm just gonna go ahead and take this palette by Mercier, and I'm taking the first two shades. Oh, so pretty. Now that we're pretty much done with everything, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to lips. So I'm going to start off with the shade Vibe, and this is kind of like a crayon type of lipstick. And I'm just going to place that like right in the center. And I'm just going to go in with this lip gloss. It's called Sparkling. So aside from like everything that we went through with this look and this eye makeup, because of my eye, we are here and I am living and I am loving it so much. Like, loving. Literally, there's no stop in this house. Like, no stop whatsoever. Like, there's always someone talking, always someone yelling, always someone doing something. Like, no one is ever still in this house. Like, hello, someone help me.